That is not real.
It is.
That is not real. No way. That animal is fake, Anna.
No, it is real. It is a real animal.
No way it's made up.
It is. Look at the book.
I am looking. It's fake.
You're wrong. It's real. Is this animal real? What do you think?
I say fake. No animal looks like that.
What is going on? I hear a lot of noise.
Look at this, Mom. Is it real?
Oh, that is very interesting. Let me look.
What are you all looking at? Can I see?
Without water, the blobfish looks like this.
That is... wow.
Deep water pushes on everything. That changes the fish. So the deep ocean changes its body? Amazing!
Pressure squeezes things, like water in the deep ocean.
Can I squeeze it? Let me try.
I look like a blobfish now. Look at me.
You do. You look like a blobfish, Jack. Say it with me. Blobfish. Blobfish. The ocean is very, very deep. Many animals live there.
What do you think this animal is?
I don't know. What is that?
I don't believe it. Any of it.
Jack, just watch. You will be surprised. I bet they are all real, Jack.
Fine, let's see. But I don't think so. What other animals look fake but are real? Watch the screen. Here we go.
What animal is coming next?
Wait till you see this one.
Oh, it's so beautiful. What is it?
That's a cartoon character. That is not real.
I love it. It is so cute. Look at those gills.
It's fake. That's a Pokemon, not a real animal.
There are more strange animals. Which is the weirdest?
Axolotls live in one lake in Mexico. Only there. Only one lake? That is very special. The axolotl can grow back its legs, even parts of its brain. What?
I can't even.
Regenerate. 4 parts. Say it. Regenerate.
It lives here in Mexico, in this lake.
Only in this one lake? Wow, that is amazing. Axolotl, water, body, grow. Real lake. Amazing.
Lake. I feel amazing. Axolotls are cool, okay? I said it.
Jack, you are so funny.
Jack, next animal. You guess, real or fake? I will get it right. I know I will. What is that? Oh no. Oh no. Is that a nose?
It's a mole, a star-nosed mole. It is real. The star-nosed mole eats in 227 milliseconds, the fastest animal.
I take 10 minutes to eat.
Snap! That fast. That is 227 milliseconds. I can do that. Okay, maybe not.
Say these words: deep, fast, underground, real, amazing. Can you say them too? Say them with me.
3 more strange animals. Are you ready for Act 3?
Hello, everyone. I heard there are some strange animals to discover.
What's in the bag? Is it an animal?
You'll see. Ready? I have something very special to show you.
It's beautiful. So beautiful. What animal is this?
Is it dangerous? Those arms look strong.
The mantis shrimp punches with the force of a bullet.
A bullet?
Force means power. This animal has very, very strong force.
We see 3 colors. The shrimp sees 16. 16.
And now, the next strange animal. Are you ready?
Oh, look at those feet. Blue feet.
Why are its feet blue?
Booby?
Look, blue feet. Real blue feet. So beautiful.
Blue feet mean healthy. Bright blue means very healthy. The bird shows off.
Watch me now, don't miss a beat. Big brave marching down the street. Like this, high steps, show off your feet. Bigger, higher, feel that heat.
Bird,
Bird,
blue,
blue,
feet.
feet. Can you say it?
Jack, what is this animal called?
I know this. I know this. Don't rush me.
Mantis shrimp. It is a mantis shrimp.
2 more animals to come. The next one lives in the Arctic.
Now, the 2 biggest moments of tonight. They are all real, every single one.
What is that?
I don't know. Something very big. A narwhal?
It has a horn. Unicorn fish. It is a unicorn fish.
It is not a unicorn fish. It is a narwhal.
Oh, right. I knew that.
The horn is not a horn. It is a tooth. It grows through the lip. A tooth. It is like my tooth, but very, very long.
3 meters long, like this.
My arms are not 3 meters.
I would be very powerful with a narwhal tooth.
Narwhals live here in the Arctic. Very cold, very far north. Cold, ice, north. I understand. Ice, cold, snow, north. Say them with me.
Now, one more look at our first friend. But this time, at home.
That's the blobfish, but it looks different.
It looks like a real fish.
Deep water, pressure changes the body. Out of water, no pressure. Sad blob face.
Blobfish, I said you were fake. I was wrong. I am sorry.
He apologized. He apologized to the blobfish.
Pressure, deep, change. Say it. Pressure, deep, change.
We are all blobfish now.
Now, it is time to play. Real or fake, the game.
I am going to win. Welcome to Real or Fake, the game. Are you ready? 1. Is it real or is it fake? Simple. 2. First hand up wins. Round 1. Real or fake? You have 5 seconds.
Fake! That thing is definitely fake!
Wrong. The platypus is real.
No. No, no, no.
The platypus has a duck bill, an otter body, and it lays eggs. Amazing!
Round 2. Real or fake?
Fake! That is not a real animal.
Correct. Anna scores.
Yes!
Good one, Anna.
This long finger taps on trees to find insects inside.
My finger is very small.
Long finger. The eye has a very long finger. Long.
I wins. That is the weirdest, for sure.
Jack, 0 for 3, but you learned something.
Yeah, I did.
Lightning round. Go!
Jack, what is the name of this animal?
Give me one moment. I know this.
An axolotl. It is an axolotl. I knew that.
I got one right. I got one right.
Well done, everyone. You learned so much tonight. I am very proud.
Final score, Anna 2, Jack 1.
1 is the score.
I win! I love this game.
You did win. Good game, Anna.
Rematch. Tomorrow.
This was fun.
Let's learn more animals. There are so many amazing animals.
I was wrong. Nature is really amazing.
Nature has so many secrets. We can always learn more.
Nature is the best inventor. Better than anything we can make.
All these animals, all real, all amazing. Is this real? That is amazing! I can't believe it! What is that? Nature is incredible! Now you say them.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep discovering. The world is full of amazing animals.
Is this real? What is this animal?
Oh, I know this one. Do you want to learn?
What else is real in this world? Let's find out.
Amazing. Incredible. Wow. Say these words. The world is amazing.
Real, real, they are real. Strange but pretty true. What a feel. Animals that look so fake. Everyone a real mistake.
See you next time. Keep asking questions. Keep discovering.
If you liked this, tell someone. And come back next time.
Next time, something even more strange is coming. I won't say fake this time.